Hey folks, today I'm changing out a blade and bar on a Poulin chainsaw. Alright, this is my Poulin chainsaw, which takes a 16-inch bar. Unfortunately, I can't say for sure what the model number is because it's got pretty much roughed up on that side there, but that's the let's see, California serial number, but what's really more important is that I made sure I get the right blade that fits this. Now the reason I'm replacing this, the chain actually could probably still be in pretty good shape, needs to be sharpened a little. However, let me show you this really close up right here. What's happening is this here is starting to flare out a little bit. I know it might be hard to see, though I need to replace it for that reason, and I'm getting both the bar and chain replaced. Now this bar has a nice little feature. This will make the chain run much more smoothly, reduce the friction on here. So I'm going to start disassembling this, take this new blade off, and then put the new blade on, the new bar and new chain. Alright, now I have already taken out the new bar and chain and straighten the chain out because it does come a little bit curled up. So I've already gotten this ready to go out of the package. Before I put everything back on, though, I want to take some time to clean this up inside. Alright, now I'm not going to be super fussy over this because most likely the first day I get out there and start cutting stuff up, it's going to get pretty much filled up anyway, but I want to at least get the the worst of it out of the way. Alright, so here goes the process of putting the new bar and new chain on. Now, if I had a socket set down here, that would work much better than this, but this is what I have for the moment. Put the chain in here, line that up. Move a little bit closer here so you can see. I just want to line it up with the pulley system there, make sure that's working all right. And then the next thing to do will be to get the bar in place. That shouldn't be too difficult. Alright, now, I just want to turn, I want to make sure this is turning alright, and it seems to be working pretty good. So now it's just going to matter of making sure this is in the right location and snugged up. I'm going to place this back on. And just to point out, this is the screw that you see right here. This is what's going to hold the bar in place so the chain is not too loose. I'm going to slip that on here. And actually, I need to set that, let that rest, because I will need to loosen this up. This is going to line up with here when I place that on. And, oh, just, you know what, I think, sorry, the one down below. So that's why I needed to loosen that up. And that should fit in snug just like that. It's a little hard to see, but I believe I have it lined up properly. Let me just at least place these on to hold the cover in place. Alright, now the blade at this point This should be a little bit loose, but not quite that loose, so I do want to tighten that up quite a bit. Alright, and actually let me give you a little bit of close-up here, because I think you'll be able to see this moving right down here as I tighten this up, or maybe not. It already moved a little bit. But normally what would happen if this was too far in, I could have used this as a guide to show you how this comes out to create a little tension on the blade itself. Now this is actually a little too tight, so I do want to loosen that up a little bit. And let's look at it down here. That's not too bad. Alright, I believe that's going to work pretty good. Let me finish up the housing here. Alright, so a couple of recommendations. One, I am not a professional mechanic. I'm not saying you should do it this way, and I may even have to make a little bit more adjustment on this again, depending on what I'm doing outside. However, if you see I have done something that's pretty obviously incorrect, please put it in the comments below. This will help other people. Myself, I probably only changed these once before, and it was so long ago it's kind of hard to remember everything that I normally do. It's not a big project of mine. If nothing else, I hope you found this video entertaining. You get to see what a novice can do, and find a professional if you need it, and they'll do it even better. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share.